So we keep getting questions about how to improve your immune system. Um, Immune system management, just like stress management, has a lot to do with your gut health, has a lot to do with your actual stress levels, has to do with um, your sleep, and of course, it has to do with your hormone balance and your nutritional balance. The best way to address this is uh, pay attention to your sleep. How many hours are you sleeping? Are we talking? Are we sleeping 7 to 9 hours? Are you sleeping the whole night? Are you having difficulty falling asleep? Are you waking up in the middle of the night and not being able to fall asleep within the first 15 minutes? Uh, so that's one. Number two, how's your gut health? Are you getting bloating, gases, difficulty digesting certain foods? Are you getting discomforts after certain meals? Um, so this needs to be addressed. We do this through certain supplements, probiotics, and obviously taking care of your diet. You need to improve on the quality of your diet. Um, Next thing is, have you had your blood tested for things like vitamin D, ferritin, your B complex or B12, protein? We need to know if your gut is working appropriately, meaning are you absorbing the nutrients that your body needs through your diet, or maybe you don't have the appropriate diet. The last thing is, how are your hormones after after years of stress and uh, uh, poor lifestyles? Our bodies get stressed out, and they usually will show imbalance in your hormones. You need to get all those things fixed. This is not that difficult. Just pay attention.